Hey everybody, this is a 30-inch Harper Breeze Typhoon ceiling fan. This one is from 2003. Not sure what month, I can't really get to the date right now. But yeah, I know it's some month in 2003. There's the box. I got this sealed in the box once again. And yeah, this is actually a pretty good fan, surprisingly. I want to put it in my hallway, but I don't know if my dad's going to let me. I'm going to beg him, though. Yeah, here's the light. It has a blue bulb in it. All the fans down here have the blue bulbs. And yeah, let's start on low. I like how this fan has light and fan indicated. So yeah, let's start on low. I wish there was more of a difference between medium and high on this fan. Low is different, but medium and high are practically the same speed. But yeah, there's low. It surprisingly runs silently. And it is blowing a breeze. Here's the light. Okay, let's go to medium. It has a slight shake on medium. And it's blowing a great amount of air. And there's the light. And we'll take it up to high. Here's high, very similar to medium. As you can tell, has a wobble, blowing, great amount of air. And there is the light. Yeah, pretty fast, but very close to medium. Alright, I'm gonna show this fan with like free blades now. I'm gonna see how I can do the flywheel, so yeah. Alright, here it is with free blades. This is all I'm gonna do because I don't want to start taking blades off. So, here's the light. I'll just show it once because you've seen it. Alright, and we'll start on low. There's low, and it is blowing air like this. Here's medium. Once again, actually blows a lot of air like this, but it doesn't look great. Here's high. It's blowing a great amount of air. But like I said, looks bad. Anyways, that'll be it for today. Goodbye, guys.